The book I'm going to present you is We're Going on a Beer Hunt by Michael Rosen. I'm going to read the first 2 pages twice, and every time I'm going to focus on a different aspect of my voice or about the text. There we go for the first time. We are going on a beer hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We are not scared. Oh, grass. Long wavy grass. We can go over it. We can go under it. Oh no, we have to go through it. Swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy. As you have probably imagined, the first time I've been focusing on the subjects of every sentence. We, they, grass, and so on. Second time, let me stop. We're going on a beer hunt. We are going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Oh, grass. Long, wavy grass. We can go over it. We can go under it. Oh no, we have to go through it. Okay, and the first part, I've been focusing on the adjectives, big, beautiful, scared. And then I've been focusing on the end of the sentences, over it, under it, on through it. Okay, finally, last time. We're going on a beer hunt, going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day, we're not scared. Oh, grass, long, wavy grass. We can't go over it, we can't go under it. Oh no, we have to go through it. This time, I've not really been focusing on a specific aspect of the text, but I've given it a bit of intonation so it creates a rhythm, which is perfect for students to memorize the pronunciation of the difficult phonemes of the text. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.